Hey YouTube people, welcome back to our channel The Crazy Coder. In this video we are going to talk about scanf function. So what is scanf function? Scanf is a predefined function which we get through the stdioh header file in C language, which helps us to take value from user at the runtime. Before this we were assigning values to the variable which were known as static values or constant values. Like if I am declaring a variable int a, we were declaring value like 10 to it. These values were known as static values. Why? Because whenever we run the program, the compiler assigns this value to the variable a. These are also known as constant values. So suppose if you need a different values every time you run the program, then you would take the help of scanf function. So now say if I want to use it, first we'll see the syntax of the scanf function. Scanf, you'll specify the format, specify over here. And the address of the variable. So this is the syntax. First you will specify this format, specify, then address of that particular variable. After this, now I'm going to tell you how to use it. Say I have a variable int x. Now I have to store a value into x. So what I'll do is I'll use scanf. What is the format or a data type of my variable? It's integer, so I'll use %d. And where do I want to store it? In variable x. So after this double quotes and after comma, I'll pass the address of variable x. This is the format specifier and this is the address of that variable in which I want to store it. I'm just giving the command to the compiler that you have to take a value of type integer and store it in the address of this x. Now if I need to specify any message before taking the value, then I would simply print that message before scanf. Enter value. So now this message would be printed. After printing this message, this scanf would take value and store it in x. Now if I need to print this variable, I'll simply take the help of printf and I'll write value, any message, say value of x's. I want to print the value of x's, then the specified value. For that I'll use the format specifier and I'll pass the variable name, that is x. Here in scanf we use %x and in printf we don't use %x. Why? Because here we have to specify the location of x or the address of x where we want to store the data. So we are specifying ampersand over here. Here we don't need to specify the address because we are calling the data from x variable. So these are small notations which you have to keep in mind. Suppose if you want to take multiple values in scanf and store it to multiple variables, then suppose I am taking two variables int a and b. What I'll do is simply scanf %d and %d. I'm just specifying two specifiers because I want to store two values inside a and b. So I'm specifying two specifiers. After that I'll pass address of variables in which I want to store the value. First value would be stored in a variable and the second value would be stored in b variable respectively. So this is how scanf works in C programming language. Hope I have cleared all your doubts. If you have any queries or questions, you can post it in the comment section. I would be delighted to help you out. Please do share, like and comment. Thanks.